Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Namely, this afternoon is when the majority of the volume came in. Point being, though, a lot of interest on this one now going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Really, I think the most straightforward way to gauge the overall, kind of health of the current movement right now is just to get this trend line in play right here. This isn't a perfect trend line. I realize that the price did technically go below it a few times, but there is also some other instances where the price didn't quite hit it. So the idea of a trend line, just trying to find the middle ground, split the difference, and just kind of use that as our guide. Because as long as the price stays above that level or within the range of it, then that implies that, well, the price is slowly making its way upwards. So it doesn't necessarily mean that there's going to be anything exciting going on in the sense of, the price exploding up, 50 cents in one day. But, at the end of the day, assuming you care about the bigger picture, as long as the price just slowly and methodically works its way higher and higher, that's what you want to see. And I get it, works its way higher. That is just a sound bite, but that's the great thing about charts is they allow you to take those sound bites and then be able to visualize them and, visualizing them using the trend line right there. So keep an eye on that as, a very important level of support. What about levels of resistance moving forward? As far as the near-term level of resistance is concerned, party stopped today right there at about $2.80, so that'll be that initial level to watch. If the price can get up through $2.80, then the next key level to keep a close eye on would be right up there at that former area of support at about $2.90. So that makes it pretty easy. $2.90, $2.80, next couple levels of resistance going forward. All in all, though, like I said, resistance levels, yes, they matter, but they also don't matter because as long as the price stays above that trend line, then given enough time, eventually the price will push itself through those levels of resistance too. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher bases, and just focus on, continuing to trend upwards. And, that is the name of the game. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.